Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's all about organizing a beautiful home. I'm sorry I haven't posted a video quite some time now as I've been busy with work and also I've been sick for quite some time. I apologize for that. I would definitely post a DIY every week coming forth. So today's video is all about a DIY. This is something that I've made for Jaden's birthday. This is a personalized birthday banner that I've made, and it's a very short video. I hope you all like it. So let's get started. All you need for this personalized banner is a chart paper. You could choose any chart paper. I've chose the color black. You can choose any color of your choice. Apart from that, you would also need some alphabets. You get this packet with 2 sets of alphabets in it, which could be stuck on the chart with the help of removing this sticker, or you can just stick them with tape in case you do not want to remove these stickers. Apart from this alphabets, I've also chose these beautiful golden stars. You get them in 2 sizes, big size and small size in this package. These packets are available in any stationery shops like Shraddha Extensions or Himalaya Book Center for a nominal cost of 30 to 40 rupees. Apart from that, I also chose this red color ribbon. These were something that I had handy in my art and craft box at home, and this ribbon costs you somewhere 10 or 12 rupees. I also had this masking tape that I purchased long time ago. This is in the color pink. So you can either purchase a masking tape, or if you have washi tape at home, you can utilize the same for the DIY, and a scissors. So let's get started. Okay, so this chart paper, I've stuck it on the wall with the help of the masking tape. You can choose the color of the masking tape as per your choice. And I stuck the alphabets on the chart in a circular motion so that I cover the entire chart. I've stuck the stars randomly, if you actually look at that, and I stuck photographs that I had available at home, which are some old pictures of Jaden, and these are stuck onto the chart with the help of the ribbon that I had at home. So I just put the ribbon behind the photograph and stuck it onto the chart. So I really like the way this turned out. The color black and the pink color masking tape really adds a lot of beautiful look into this personalized birthday chart that I made. I've seen a lot of birthday banners in the shops, and I just wanted to try a personalized banner at home. So this is something that I have tried, and I like the way it worked. I hope you all like this. You can use this as a personalized birthday banner, or you could also utilize this as a chart for your kids for their regular timetable, or you can use this banner in your kitchen, writing the to-do list and what all stuff you need to have in your kitchen. Or you can also use this for a monthly calendar. You can utilize the banner for a lot of things. You can just use it as a normal chart stuck onto the wall with the ends stuck with washi tape, giving it a beautiful look. You can either stick the chart directly onto the wall or paste it on a cardboard and then stick it onto the wall. I just stuck it directly because I did not want to paste it on a cardboard and then stick it, but it really turned out beautiful. I hope you all like this DIY that I've made today. Please do click on the like button if you really like the DIY. I would appreciate all your comments, and I would definitely respond to them. Thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribe to my channel. Please do not forget to share this video and subscribe to my channel. Please shower your love on me. Thank you so much for watching this video. You all have a beautiful day ahead.